So in order to start getting customers inside your business, first, you need to set up your Google Business Profile. And then you need to verify it so that customers can actually see you on the internet. You can set up a Google Business Profile and that's all good and fun, but nothing will be shown on the internet until you have verified it. So start up your Google Business Profile, go ahead and click that Get Verified button. Once you've clicked that Get Verified button, it's going to give you all the things that are needed in order to accurately assess whether you are a legitimate business or not. Make a note of everything that is required, and I'm going to go ahead and run you through real quick on how you can get your business also verified. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to show you exactly how I got my business verified. So we're out here in Cushing, Oklahoma today. We're at my home, which happens to be where my office is. So from here on, this will be how you verify your business. Hey, I'm Mark Cantrell. I'm the founder of Upward Bound Media, LLC. We're located here in Cushing, Oklahoma, 7000 West 9th Street here in Cushing. Our neighbors, we've got residential neighbors over here to the west and also to the east, and then this is 9th Street right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and walk you inside. Side note for all you viewers, this has to be a continuous video, so if you have a long walk or anything, feel free to actually bring up random facts about your business or whatever. And throughout your walk, you also want to show like where your service vehicles, any of the tools, any of that other stuff that you have going on. So I'll go ahead and continue with the video. Right here we have our service vehicle. This is the vehicle that we use to actually go to our customers' businesses. Locally, we go and serve our customers in person. We also work on a national front. Obviously, nationally, we do not go meet our customers, but all of our local customers, we prefer to do face-to-face engagements with. All right, now the door to my house. This is where you would show that you have keys to get in, whatever, that you actually have access to the business. We're going to go ahead and walk in here, and then I'm going to go into the office. All right, so here we have the office. Here you can see our computer setup. We've got a TV monitor over here as a second monitor. Right here we have our CP575, which shows Mark Cantrell. That's me, the owner of Upward Bound Media, and then the address that we just went over. Here's some of our software that we currently use to help our customers, and then we also have some business cards here. So this is my personal business card, Mark Cantrell. We're a digital marketing agency. And then there's our phone number and our email. And that should pretty much do it for the video. You don't really need anything beyond that. It will tell you exactly what you need. There's 3 items that you need. And as soon as you click into verify now, just make sure that you touch base on all 3 of those items. So I've shown you the address, I've shown the surrounding area, I've shown documentation saying that Upward Bound Media is real, and I've also shown you one of the vehicles that we use to go visit our clients that are local. And then I've also shown you that for one, I'm logged into Upward Bound Media on Facebook. I showed you my business cards, which just all further ties in and tells Google that you are a legitimate business, and that they should verify your business listing. And then as soon as they do, boom, customers coming in, baby.